How to watch live football on YouTube TV in Jamaica. Since YouTube TV is not officially available in Jamaica, you can use a VPN to access YouTube TV as if you were in the United States. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do this. Step number 1. Choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN that has servers in the United States. Some popular options include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Step number 2. Install the VPN on your device. Download and install the VPN application on the device you want to use to stream. Sign up and log into the VPN service. Step number 3. Connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and select a server located in the United States. Connecting to a US server will give you a US IP address, which will bypass YouTube TV's geo restrictions. Step number 4. Sign up or log in to YouTube TV. Go to the YouTube TV website or open the YouTube TV app on your device. If you already have an account, log in with your Google credentials. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free trial and enter your payment information. YouTube TV costs $72.99 per month after the free trial. Step number 5. Search for live football games. Once you're logged into YouTube TV, use the search bar to find a specific football game you want to watch. You can browse the live or sports sections to discover upcoming or ongoing football matches. Step number 6. Start streaming. After finding the game you want to watch, click on it and it will begin streaming live on your device. Step number 7. Record football games. Optional. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR, so you can record games and watch them later. To record a game, simply click the record button, red circle, while browsing through the available games.